Alright everyone, click the subscribe button real quick to stay updated with all of the tutorials that we are going to be adding to this channel. So we've already talked about how to add text as a watermark in Lightroom. Now we're going to talk about how to actually use your logo. It's most likely going to be a PNG file. We can attach that right in Lightroom to export as a watermark. So we're going to come to Lightroom in the corner. We're going to click on that and go to Edit Watermarks. But this time, instead of text, we want to click on the graphic, and that is going to take you over to your files on your hard drive to where you can select the logo. So I'm just going to select a logo that we have on here. So you're going to select your logo and hit choose. Now see how that applies that in the corner? Once again, we have the option to kind of move that around a little bit. I'm going to scroll down here. I'll start with opacity. That's the first on the list. You can change the opacity, how light or dark you want that, the proportion, how large you want it, if you want it to fit or if you want it to fill. Personally, I just usually use proportion. Fit and fill is sometimes too much. Then you can come down to the inset. Do you want to move it up and down, right or left? Or you can use anchor. I'm going to put this back to 0 real quick. Or you can use anchor. You can put it right in the middle, or you can put it in the corner. That's probably the best tool to position it with. And then what we're going to do is hit save this. And this was another test, so I'm just going to hit test. We're going to type the name of your watermark and then hit create. That's going to save your watermark right within Lightroom. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to export a photo with your watermark.